Hey, beautiful souls, I'm Keto Master, and today we're going to explore a lifestyle shift that can reshape not just your body, but your entire well-being, the keto diet. Now let's paint a picture. Imagine a way of eating that changes your body into a fat-burning powerhouse. It's not just a diet, it's a metabolic revolution. It's like flipping a switch inside you that turns your body from storing fat to burning it. And the benefits? Oh, they're not just physical. Sure, you'll see a change in your body, but what's even more exciting is the change you'll feel: increased energy, improved mental clarity, a sense of well-being like never before. This is the power of keto, and it's not a fad, it's backed by science, embraced by celebrities, and proven by millions. And guess what? You're at the forefront of it. Ever wondered why celebrities and fitness enthusiasts swear by the keto lifestyle? The answer lies in the science behind it. The ketogenic or keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that shifts your body into a state of ketosis. This metabolic state prompts your body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, leading to weight loss. But the benefits don't stop there. This metabolic shift can also lead to enhanced energy levels. Without the highs and lows of a carb-heavy diet, your energy remains steady throughout the day. Imagine no more afternoon slumps or sugar crashes. Moreover, the keto diet has been reported to improve mental clarity. By reducing carbohydrate intake, you also reduce sugar spikes, which can lead to clearer thinking and improved concentration. So it's not just about shedding pounds, it's about a complete lifestyle change that can boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and improve your overall health. Stick around as we're about to uncover the fascinating world of keto. Knowledge is power, and I'm here to empower you. In the keto universe, there are three main players: fats, proteins, and carbs. Fats become the star of the show, making up the majority of your calorie intake. Proteins play a supporting role, ensuring your muscles stay strong and your body functions optimally. Carbohydrates, once your body's go-to energy source, now take a back seat. By reducing your carb intake and increasing your fat consumption, you're essentially training your body to burn fat for fuel instead of carbs. This metabolic switch is called ketosis, and it's the secret sauce behind the keto diet's magic. Proteins find a comfortable middle ground, providing essential nutrients without kicking you out of ketosis. The beauty of keto is that you're not just losing weight, you're reshaping your relationship with food and fueling your body in a more efficient way. Trust me, it's simpler than you think. But hold up, I'm not just throwing information at you. Let's take a moment to address the common pitfalls that many beginners stumble upon in their keto journey. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of starting a new diet, but it's crucial to be aware of these potential roadblocks. First off, don't rush into it. Gradually reducing your carb intake can help your body adjust more smoothly to the new fuel system. Next, hydration and electrolytes are your best friends. A sudden drop in carbs can lead to a loss of minerals, so keep that water bottle close and consider a quality electrolyte supplement. And remember, not all fats are created equal. Opt for healthy fats like avocados and olive oil over processed ones. Finally, don't forget about fiber. While you're cutting carbs, make sure you're still getting enough greens to keep your gut health in check. We'll navigate the common pitfalls together, ensuring you avoid the roadblocks many beginners stumble upon. Throughout this video, I'll sprinkle in some real-life success stories. Stories that make you sit up and pay attention because they're about people just like you. People who were searching for a way to reclaim their health and vitality. Meet Sarah. She's a busy mom of 3 who struggled with her weight for years. After she started the keto diet, she started noticing changes within weeks. Weight loss was just the beginning. She says she's never had so much energy and mental clarity before. And then there's Mike. As a truck driver, he had a hard time finding healthy meals on the road. Now he meal preps keto-friendly dishes and snacks. He's not just shed pounds, he's also reversed his pre-diabetes. These are just a few of the countless success stories out there. People who took the plunge into keto and emerged healthier, happier, and more in tune with their bodies. Their stories will inspire and reassure you that